Dan, please, Dan.
I your show and your mouth, let me talk. I your show and my mouth, let me talk. Your show my mouth, let me talk. Let me talk.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Bless up on yourself, you know the style of Wull with the latest mix up and mix downs. You see, so today we are going to talk about Shaneil Muir, and the criticism that she get. Besides that, we are going to talk about how talented she is. You see me? Yeah. Right, guys, so people have some bad things to say about that girl, which we have saved that for last time. I don't really see nothing bad about her, you see me? So Shaneil Muir made an appearance in Florida. You see me? She and Lapa did a part, I'm not telling a lie. It kind of turned up.
Today, now, people, Buzz Weekend, Tampa, Orlando, Fort Lauderdale, Miami. I'm here. So it's all about the Buzz Weekend, and we're talking about Buzz, and then we say Lab will be here, and we're talking about somebody else. Buzzable, Shaneil Muir.
Yes, I don't know say all of the real top you let me for roll out tonight, and the top man them will not good up self. Don't come spend a rent, so please and thanks.
Yeah, see. You never born in all this week.
Hey, I'm still shop at DD, I'm still shop at music, not got certain places. Me a girl, I'm not fine enough for link, I'm not fine enough for young girl, not big kill it.
What?
And if I know your size, no.
Weary.
Hey, and if I know your price, no.
Real or fake? Cock up your body if it's real or fake.
Really no fake.
But look how more we're gonna lock down the plate. Buzz Weekend. Check Buzz Instagram page for the address. Yeah, okay?
Me I tell you, man, people. Yeah, man, this will get shell. And as you I'm showing it too. Before we go any further, I'm going to talk.
Sometimes we are going to talk too much. We're going to put it back again. Sometimes we are going to talk too much. When you're not going to be good cocky, they're going to shut them up and take good cocky. I'm not going to talk and tell them that I get the good cocky. Let me think. You know what I don't think we talk about. Let me tell you what they do, man. This here nigga from Waterhouse. Baby girl like a Roman. You man in the light. See the ring thing, I am the good wife. But Shaneil on great prosperity. And he's very good, put him up in wife.
As you can see, guys, I'm share it. I'm gonna see it. Come and tell me how she perform. But what me a pray is, that is what you call raw talent. She don't need no half naked this and talk about skin out this and that. Where she really is singing her song reflect on females and other people in a different way. So I'm gonna see how people could really go out of the way for a bad commentator say she shape bad her ass need for do, she need for link that doctor there or whatever. Yo, I don't like them people there. And them people they average at the time not comfortable with themselves. And you see, personally feel like the people them where I try style her and have a bed. You see me for themselves, them catch sleep with 3 persons on all a bed. You know them where the Shaneil Muir you do your thing big. The impact where you left, trust me. And that's why I agree with Pretti Don on that one. Yeah. Nah, I say nothing wrong with sleep with nobody on a bed, you know. But that are the thing underneath. Understand, say nothing wrong with the girl. And that's why I agree with Pretti Don. So I'm going to left it in a fear and I'm going to see why I pray.
Yeah, dear lava. You're brown and nice though, my friend. You're looking very good, you know? I like to see the look, you know what I mean? You feel me? Yes, lava. What's up, man? You good? I saw that you burned down the place last night, Bees, man. What's up, Bees, man? You good?
You may sit here, right? The fake locks where you have by your head, don't treat it like the next one.
Yeah. What?
Don't make too much dirt, kick it, alright?
Right.
Yeah, man, because the one it happened before, all these times, me think I did real locks.
Yeah.
And teacher take it out, and some look something come with your ear, I don't know what that.
Dan does.
And that come like a sand joke, because we had a worry for sand. Then Dan just set on sun.
Probably me that come from a beach.
Yeah, come make a couple, like you roll in a dirt and you don't wash your ear. You roll in a mud, you don't wash your ear. Roll in a ketchup, you don't wash out your ear.
Right.
Your ear, they smell very bad. So you take it out and you rock, look about it what day. So I make everybody know say it's not your locks that.
Yeah. Bring me
So
down.
me now bring it on, it fit you. It fit you.
Why when you look good? Your friend ain't trying to still it. Yo, God, you look good, you know. Yo, it's a pretty. Enough things they do and they never work, but this a work. What if you can't just come and be a good friend as a
you know, say we're hypocrite as always your times.
Yeah,
like,
man, but
listen, but before you say no, just like you have some people, when I see a girl who look very good enough, I always have to find one look of her. She look good enough, but I don't like her makeup. She look good enough, but the nail polish, she should change her nail polish. Like, what the fuck? And your nails?
Yeah, but you notice how I take your criticism and I take your disrespect. I took your slander because I know it was gonna come right to the fact that I look damn good.
Manala, shut and laugh, up a buzz.
You understand? My teeth white, I got a teeth whitening. And
Manala, shut and laugh, up a buzz.
teeth them clean and thing, you understand? My face, it big up fresh glow, you know? Glowing. You understand me? Everything all in one, because we are not Oreo. You understand me?
Yeah, remember what you hide? You stop hide now?
Yeah, my grind side, them brown. My grind side brown. Leg root. Everywhere.
Yeah, go on, man.
Yes, man, we take a foot, brother, all between my toe crease, them, white. My skull, white. You see me? My rough crease, I think I'm
Gold skill Mel say your armpit do and shake her head.
No, I tell her to go shave her thing in front or shave her underneath her. What you do under my armpit, dirty roll on? So good. What you do under my armpit, shit pit? The man them condom and fucking you have to sit me, girl. What the fuck you look underneath me armpit for? Your razor? What you do under my blood clot armpit? You order wrong. What? What the fuck you do under me armpit, shit pit?
Go easy.
You see me there, I show my white teeth, the way you do under me armhole. And we want to find things for that, but no matter me, no guy, no thick snare, no my blood clot body. So what the fuck you over here start off a shit house? Mark and spit in your dirty
Go
blood
easy.
clot.
Go easy. No, man, easy.
Move, bitch. Blood clot for your shit house. Lava, watch it then. Dog shit, move. Move, shit house. So you deal with me, G. How was this show last night? Shaneil Muir and thing. Me know say you look a friend. Me not like how them a deal with her, you know, because...
No, hold on. Can you split the corner? Hold on.
Pussy, me tell you if you move. If you never move, nobody tap me. Me say move. Now me elaborating about something totally different. Fix yourself, lover. Get back on the show. What kind of fucked up horse are you? Get your little trifling ass back over your station. Well, you get money. Great Valley, you choke. Great Valley, you know, can't buy Lysol. Come Never take your cross yourself back over here. Because as mix up on you is not going to get Lysol. Shaneil are your friend. And you make the people them a drag Shaneil all over the internet with all kind of comment, but you can't go for Lysol for pussy clot me. Friend like you, me no want to know. Friend like you, me no blood clot one. You hear them a tell a woman how she fat and she need to go to party and then sit there, but only thing you want to come over here is one amount of bees. People business, careless girl, man a piss in a girl mouth, man a piss in a girl belly. All you want blood clot, do the careless thing them. And you know see them a trouble little girl. And you see the girl perfectly look fine. Why they not talk about your shining? Your ear go grow back right there, so? The ear when they gone right, so is it gonna come back? You need some Rogaine. Why people not trouble you? Why them not trouble Shaneil? Why you not get trouble? Nobody not, but you know, come over here can defend that, but you come over here with your little mix up nasty blood clot wholesale. Every blood clot night, but in the girl face the whole day. Yesterday you hear how them a drag the blood clot girl all over the internet. I don't hear you, I just matter all now, you look a blood clot bleach out over 40 thinking man. Nasty man, are you me attack for? You see you? Friend like you me not like. Because you're over 47 years old and you bleach out the whole of your face and you're not talking about your friend when they're around your drunk crowd. What do like you?
You got too fast. You got too fast.
Move your bum up like I
Yo, what I regret? Yeah, but what I regret? What about the 47? Yeah, but you know, you could have really, you know, you have to go so fast. You look how much no, man, you come and get a big stone and fling it. You're supposed to play it next door, you know. And think, wave the block. Here we go.
Yeah, because you have them on the you see, you know what it is in a life, Lava?
Yeah.
Just enough women don't appreciate themselves. Them not appreciate what God give them, so them feel like them nigga like extra, so they go lick Dr. Miami. Watch out now. And every woman need to do that. And every woman have to do that to get an eye either. You think that the woman now sell pussy like bless all about for the bumbo clot gram and the other one when you're kingdom. Everywhere you go, you see them click all over the blood clot gram.
Oh my God. Dan, please, Dan.
Are you sure no your mouth? Let me talk. Are you sure my mouth? Let me talk. You're sure my mouth? Let me talk. Let me talk. You see, true, the girl now drop him pussy.
Dan.
You want them to talk about Shaneil though. You want them to talk about
Nobody can diss somebody over here. You can't diss Shaneil over here.
Anyone.
No, I'm just saying.
I don't diss people.
Jesus Christ.
Where? Everywhere you look on the ground, you see everybody pussy tongue, and then them in a G-string on that pussy drape up. Pussy drape up and choose Shaneil. Nah, drape up pussy on the gram. Everybody want to call her fat and she be going to do better. Girl, stay just the fucking way you are. You have a lovely voice. You have a lovely voice. If they don't want your voice, mama don't sell no pussy. Don't go for no holy fans. Left that to thinking mouth angel. Don't go for no holy fans. Left that to bless them.
Yo. Oh my gosh.
You know what? Little more lava because you're drunk.